Hi, friends. My name is Prema McKeever. I'm a trauma therapist and a Path of Love leader. But most importantly, 14 years ago, I said yes to myself in a very significant way by participating in the Path of Love. Like a bad dream, I can still remember that heavy, anxious energy that used to just kind of sit on my life. And I tried so many things to get rid of it: therapy, building a successful career, reading a ton of self help books, and none of it was enough. It took coming to Path of Love to finally change my relationship with myself. That one week lit a fire in my life and brought back a sense of power and love for myself that I have carried forward ever since. Carried it into my work, into my relationships. It really gave me the direction and energy my life needed. And I have seen these same results for thousands of others from so many different backgrounds, yet everyone wanting to live a life with more purpose, more freedom, and more love. So I'd like to invite you to join me and the rest of our incredible team at the June 20th to 27th Path of Love in Montreal. Our beautiful retreat center in the Laurentian Mountains is a magnificent environment where you can take that needed time to focus on yourself and be skillfully supported in the deep, integrative healing that real change requires. I can't imagine what my life would look like right now if I had not said yes to Path of Love. If you feel that call to take action, then Montreal is not just a destination. It's your next step towards a life of authenticity and fulfillment. Life is short, too short to keep feeling that something is missing. I invite you to schedule a call or register for our next retreat and join a community that is eager to support you. Let's unlock the door to a life that truly feels like your own. See you in Montreal.